Hi everyone, and thank you so much for helping me reach my first goal when I opened up my YouTube channel. My first goal was 300 subbies, and I think as I checked it was 302. I promised a giveaway, and now I'm going to do it. I want to show you the pages of the names, and you can see if your name is on it. Those with more than one entry of their names meant they shared it to different venues. They commented. Yeah, my teeth are going blah. So I'm going to show you the list, and then I'm going to cut them up, and my dad's going to do the drawing, okay? So let's see if you can see. Okay. There's that one. There's that one. And the last page is that one. Alright, so I'm going to pause this, cut them all up, and when we're ready to draw, I'll be back. 1 second. Okay guys, we got them all cut up. I'm moving my hands back. The other hand you see right there is my dad's. All the names. Oh great, now we get a train. Okay, sorry about that. Dad's shaking up the names now. And he's going to draw the first name. It's going to be for second place. Because remember, if you watched my videos, there was two drawings.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Stuck together?
Okay, the first one is Heather Cat Lady. You got second prize. Yay! Okay, so now the next one is going to be for first prize. Congratulations, Heather.
Do I get the door prize if for doing this?
No, you get the booby prize.
I don't want a booby prize.
Okay.
Little Craft Creations.
Little Craft Creations. You get the first prize.
Yay!
Yay! Let's see. Can you see that? Is it going to focus?
No, it's not going to
You're going to focus.
You're too close.
No, actually, I'm not. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Anyways, congratulations, you guys. Thank you again for participating and helping me reach my 300. Now, wait till you get to my 500. There's going to be a bigger one. So,
Why was there only 2 names in there?
Will you stop? Oh, yeah. Okay, he says only 2 names. No, look. See, the whole bag was full of names, and they were all shook up.
Empty it on the table.
Empty it on the table, he says. There. See? Oh, let go. Okay. So, Heather Cat Lady and Michelle at Little Craft Creations, congratulations. Get with me and give me your addresses. You can PM me in Facebook or join my Facebook group, Coffee Cup Crafts and Conversation. The link should be down below. And congratulations again. Thank you, ladies. Bye.